Yo, Dre.
Fry fowl in the pot, me want to take a piece of that, but the pot cover just a make sounds. If mummy hear it, then I dead, me just dead. She say no dinner till you clean your room. Why? Like she lost on screws. Me get down some more on my food, and my mind make culprit moves. It risky, but me don't give a clock, because the fry fowl very delicious. Peshengelengeleng, I'm only kryptonite, so my master put in what the pot cover upon the pot. Fry fowl smell nice, me have to teeth paste. If mummy find out, she a go beat me with the stick from me guava tree. So me do it discreetly, because I'm hungry, yeah. Piece of fried fowl I got me insane, and as me done consume that bait, me get the energy to go clean my crib. OP fried fowl, not basic. The crispiness been a drive me crazy, and next piece disappear, me erase it. Me belly, my belly. You love my gut, me love my gut. Me I feel myself worse if I'm on me cook. If she find out some me going at the pot, she might just chop me grippers off and left me with a pair of knocks. So that no slow me down. Me still with it on toes. Go in the kitchen and snatch more foes. Snatch it, cause me a madman. When me hungry, no, me get down some more on my food, and my mind make culprit moves. The fowl deep fried till it golden brown, flavor soaked into the bones, so me feel leave it alone. Become hungry, yeah. Piece of fried fowl I got me insane, and as me done consume that bitch, me get the energy to go clean my crib. Me say me hungry, yeah. Piece of fried fowl I got me insane, and as me done consume that bitch, me get the energy to go clean my